Uyi Technical no say papa ya ko. Dia je kwena satia bale. Dia je kwena satia bale.
The prosecutor for the case where involved the alleged support of suicide of Mrs. Lillian Mokwele, where be the daughter of Omori Oloton, Chief Executive Officer of Uyi Technical Limited. They asked to engage Interpol to carry out bench warrant issued by Justice B.O. Quadri of the Federal High Court for Benin City. The case, filed as FHC/B/5C/2024, day between the Inspector General of Police and 6 defendants, where include Jessica Ighodala Ogome. For Tuesday proceedings, P.O. Odion, where represent the prosecution, tell the court say Jessica Ogome Ogboma deliberately refused to appear for court. Thereby, they treat the court with disrespect, even though say she dey aware of the charges against her. He can't list her to the difficulties to ensure her presence and talk say to involve Interpol assistance not dey important to enforce the bench warrant. For a part, E.O. Afolabi, wey dey assisted by D. Ogbankwe, come remind the court say Asen Ogwan take Jessica on bail and they expected to produce her for court, and now don't remove himself from the case as he transferred the case to another counsel. For the previous hearing, her former counsel, O.I. Asen Ogwan, don't first apologize on her behalf. Co-explain say she dey for Germany. However, her new counsel, Dele Igbenedion, question why they never make any effort to verify the validity of her absence. He can't argue say make them dismiss the case as he say na civil matter, plus say the case not get clear evidence for the court process where link a client to Mrs. Omokwele's death. Following Igbenedion's request for the adjournment to renew the amended charge sheets filed by the prosecution and with no opposition from prosecution and counsel to other defendants for the case, the court can't grant the request. They can't adjourn the case to March 25, 2025 for ruling for preliminary objection.
I hold the brief of the family of the deceased in this matter. I want to say first of all that cases are not determined by interviews in the media. What is important is what is instituted in courts and the records of courts. And I also want to state clearly that this is a matter that has many dimensions and also a lot of implications for the larger society. As we speak, the court has given an adjournment in this matter till the 25th of March 2024 for parties to argue, for parties to argue a notice of preliminary objection, which in our estimation is premature.
It's because we have said the case is, we have filed a motion before the court saying that the case is frivolous. May I remove my wig? I don't know. The case is frivolous because it's just a case of somebody giving loan to the daughter of Uyi Technical. She collected loan. She refused to pay back before she committed suicide. Now they are charging my client who lives in Germany that she's the one that assisted her to commit suicide in Nigeria. I have never seen it where somebody will assist a person owing you money to commit suicide. How will you not get your money? I would have thought that the next thing for them to be thinking about is how to pay the loan that their daughter collected from my client. So all these charges that she was operating a bank, that she was doing money laundering, have no basis. In fact, all the people who wrote statement for the police, none of them, from Uyi Technical himself to the woman's husband, to all of them, none of them said anything about my client, Jessica Ighodala, helping the woman to commit suicide inside her house in a toilet. She locked the door. Even if my client is a spirit, can he do that from Germany? Okay. So that's why we are saying it's frivolous. We have filed a motion for the court to quash the charge, to quash it and throw it away. The prosecutor saying that my application is alien is in his own imagination, with due respect to him. A person that is charged to court, if you believe that there is no case against you, you can apply to court to say, my lord, there is no case here. How can that be alien? How can that be alien? We are saying it's a civil matter. A quarrel over payment or repayment of the loan. That is all. It's very unfortunate of her circumstances. They knew from the beginning that she lived outside the country. She lives in Germany. She does not live in Nigeria. And her present circumstances now, that's what I was saying. He is supposed to find out from her, what are your present circumstances? Why are you not able to come to court? Okay, if somebody is not able to come to court, does it mean the person cannot take a lawyer to speak for her? That's why I'm here. If she's not able to come to court, she can take a lawyer to speak for her. Is that not why we lawyers went to school? Why we are called to bar? To speak for people. We can even speak for the dead. We can speak for the person that is in hospital. We can speak for a person that is in prison. We can appear before a court. So I would advise them really to reconsider this charge and let these people be and think of how they are going to repay the debt. That's what I have said in the motion. It's nothing. I don't know what is alien to our law in that.
Uyi Technical no so marun daire no so we my animal
my some of
yo be yo igo yo be yo sa o be mu alele yakia o ola ho i ma i yan Uyi Technical no so we me o Uyi Technical no so we me nega i mu alele ya.
Meanwhile, the prosecution can't withdraw the original charge sheet filed on January 1st, 2024 and replace them with the amended version dated July 15, 2024. For the new charge sheet, they remove Akbes Omorodion and Joy Noreen as defendants. Can't leave Jessica Ighodala Ogboma, Vincent Nwango, Blessing Jato, and Chukwudi Mudiaga as the remaining accused persons. Joyce Alohan for Balan TV.